Morning YouTube. Once more I'm back. You see me I say? I'm a Houston shirt, you know. Yep. Yeah man, so big up to all of my subscribers. Big up to all of my supporters, you know, my viewers and all of my fans them, you see me I say? Yeah, so all the new subscribers as they come, the subscribes as they come. You know what I mean? As they come, subscribes, and please press the like button. It's very important. You know what I'm saying? I'm asking you all to press the like button. When you watch the video, just press the like button, please. That's what I say. This man I drink some black coffee. I don't know anything go. Alright. So me dep on the black, me dep on the chat. Some boy I know the hap now, the shot. Remember I'm telling you it's a powerful word that. Well, today we have two things to talk about. See, we have to talk about Holness and we are going to talk about Vybz Kartel. Yes, I say two things. The two presidents them want to run the country right you know. Holness and Vybz Kartel we are going to talk about. So alright. So here look you know. Remember other day the topic was the cockpit mountain. Well, Holness come out. I see him in the news yesterday. He said that there is no more mining to the cockpit mountain. There is nothing signed for mine the cockpit mountain. You see me I say so. Now big up all of my freedom fighter them. You see me I say because we did a tremendous job and that. So big up to Queen Africa. You see me I say, my sister, you're large, you don't know. Big up yourself. Thank you for the works that you put in. You see me I say. And we'll big up Bounty Killer. Big up to the killer. Also, you see me I say. And we are going to big up to Dr. Love. Because Dr. Love put in a talk on it as well. And we have to big up Footer Eye put in a talk on it as well. And who again? And let me see now. And first, big up the people them. Should I big up the people them first who come out and do the first roadblock protest in a Trelawney. When the whole community come out. Big up them people there. All I want to know the name. You see me I say. And big up to the Rasta. You see me I say. I don't know the Rasta name. The Rasta will come out and say water valuable more than, you see me I say, more than gas and oil. You see me I say, big up to the Rasta there. Because him take it on, him burn the fire upon a decent level. And also big up to Rapper Crapper. Because Rapper Crapper did a tremendous job as well. Because you don't know him have a lot of fans said way. You see me I say, and big up to myself. You see me I say, because I did a video on it and I get a lot of views and the Prime Minister Holness watch my channel. So I don't know. My touchy boss art said way. So I have an idea. There's no mining to the cockpit mountain. Who again me for big up? Jano, I don't remember everybody, but big up to all of the people them who, all of the freedom fighter them. You see me I say, we put in our words. You see me I say. This time I now give Sizzler now big up because Sizzler get a perform right on the independence when the Prime Minister was there when he get the award when he should have talked to the President, Prime Minister. Sizzler never do nothing. You see what I'm saying? So Sizzler can't get no big up right I say I know. You see me I say. So people we are come from far, Virgin. I remember saying a fight we have to fight for everything we want. Everywhere in the world, black people have to fight for everything what they want. Everybody else get everything easy, but I don't know what is up. Everybody hate us, you know what I mean? So I have an idea. We cannot lay back. You get what I say? We cannot lay back. Me feel so good in myself. If you know say, me have a channel, a small channel, and me put out Me put out my little fight pan it. You see me I say? And the Prime Minister here and him now sign over the Cockpit Mountain. You see me I say me feel good right here now. You see me see when me see that cold bomb full up my skin bridging because me see say what I'm doing is manifesting. You see me I deal with and me really appreciate all of the people them who come out and say something to that. You see me I say all of them. Everybody will say something about it. You see me I say because I feel we country, you know. And that's how we no matter if we are foreigner or wherever, we still have to go back to our country, a free place. And that's how we neighboring plant all over the country. You see me I say so we have to fight for what's right, and we should have fight long time. But me never have no voice. You see me I say, no, me have a little voice on YouTube and me have to use it up. You see me I say. So again, big up to all our people them. Remember say, you know, the Maroon them fight, you know. You see me I say, spiritually and physically, you know. And get you out of a slavery, you know. Right now it is a modern day slavery going on now. So we know as people in Jamaica have to come together. You see what I'm saying? And fight to get ourselves out of the modern day slavery. So that we youth them, the next generation them, can come up and live comfortable and have to kill off them one another. You see me I deal with, so I really appreciate what I go on. You understand what I say? Let me see if I have anything more to say. So I really another thank you to all of the freedom fighter them. You see me I say, I was talking to a Jamaican who live over America here with day, and you know, you don't say me a Rasta and me deal with the love of black people. Not saying that I'm racist, I love everybody, but you know, when time I see anything wrong go for black people, me always stood up and say something. So that brother they know, every time I talk to him now, him always, I don't want to hear what you're saying and all kind of crap. You see me I say, well, I hope you watch that video right now for realize say I am a freedom fighter. You see me I deal with and we not go stop fight. You see me I say, so that the next generation can alright. You see me I say, and if everybody unite and do the same thing we alright. You see me I say, I may talk about black people, not Jamaican alone, everywhere in the world with black people there. You see me, we have to unite because all the other race them are unite against we. One good thing what they love is our money. They will come in our community, put up business and scrape all our money. That is the same thing going on in Jamaica right now. China them come in, India them come in, set up, they not pay no tax, and then them take away all our money. So Andrew Holness, the next thing what more you do now, more you lick up some tax on them people there. The Indian them and the China them. Because you know have pan the quota farm say a Indian was the indigenous people of Jamaica. No, it was black people are the indigenous people. You see me I say black people was living on the island. So them not supposed to have, the Indian them come from Middle East and Holness. So them need to get some tax. And if you put up some tax on them thing right now. I understand what I say. Them if start pay some tax. And so Jamaica go start save some money in the bank, and we need a Jamaica bank where we put all our money. All of the money will come out of business in our country. We need that for bank up. You see me I say? So if you go down in the China them pocket and the Indian them pocket, lick them with some big tax, them probably have to go run or something. So any business will go on in our country, the country must benefit most of it. So in the day, them a pay minimum wage. Them supposed to make minimum wage because they're not for them country. So you raise up the tax on them. You understand? Raise up the tax and get cut down for them money. So when they can't live a lifestyle, they have to go probably pack up and left. You see me, Jamaican people did there for run a business. They don't know anything set up. So that is my another advice to Andrew Holness. I'm looking forward for you to do that right now. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, so like and share and subscribe. You see me I say to my channel. Yeah. Like and share and subscribe, you know. I didn't want to end this video. But I don't know if I have memory problem. But anyway, I have two things to talk about. I talk about one thing already, so let me try run it another 5 minutes. I don't know if it's going to cut off. If it's cut off, I have to just do another video. So next thing again, Mr. Andrew Holness, Vybz Kartel. You understand? Please, Mr. President, Prime Minister, I want you free up Vybz Kartel right now. Remember, you know, Mr. Andrew Holness, remember say, you go campaign, you go clerks. And when you get the new clerks to daddy, I wish color that mad in a party. You understand? Vybz Kartel. You win election. You see me I say? And you don't know say Vybz Kartel in a prison for a murder why him never commit because there is no form of evidence there. You understand? Me live America. America look into the case. It come over Fox News. You understand? And also he win the appeal. So I don't know what's taking so long. So me just Andrew Holness, man, you do a thing for the world boss, you know, Vybz Kartel, and just free him up. You know, make him finish him work. You see me I say, I make him in peak still, you see me I say. Me an artist, me no boss yet, and me not go say me no want Kartel come out because me not go boss. But me want to see the brother come out. You see me I say, Addy me name, you know, just like how him name Addy, you know, so you know, so we are great people. So when for me time come, when time I want boss, me can boss. Me not worry about that. Me just want to see Kartel come on road right now. Because the whole world dying to see Kartel right now. You understand? So, Mr. Andrew Holness, just like how we talk to you about the cockpit mountain, and you look into it and deal with it. But we just want you look into Kartel case right now. You understand? Because him win the appeal already. We just want you just tell them for free him up. And make him come on road now. Because I promise you guys to do this video. I promised that I was gonna do a video about Kartel. Well, this is what I want to talk about. There's every time I go on YouTube, you guys can check out yourself. There's a lot of vloggers. I mean, talk American vloggers, African vloggers, all over the world, European vloggers, white people vloggers, black people all over the world. Everybody a vlog about Kartel now. You understand? And them just play the music them and them things shot, them I get thousands of views. You know what I mean? So me I say, yo, me have to do a video, yeah, you know? Cause the people them need Vybz Kartel, you know. You see me I say, I don't know when he appeal already. So please, Mr. Prime Minister, let him out. You see me I say, I'm big up to all our people them, the fans them, Gaza Nation. You see me I say, all the people them I love Kartel and know say, yo, when I wall out, you see me I say, Kartel will come on road, they don't know anything set. You know what I mean? So, that was a video I promised a guy about Vybz Kartel. You see what I'm saying? So, Mr. Prime Minister, once more, please can let out Kartel. You see me I say, because I don't know a case go, I don't see a case go already, you understand? I'm having youth them a turn big and thing. You see me I say, I want to come out and free up you know. And come run up and down on some stage. And Vybz Kartel, when you come out, make sure you have a stage show. I don't know what you're going to name it. You see me I say, Freedom, Vybz Kartel, whatsoever. Just get a name. You can come up with a name. Just get a name and that stage show they must keep annually. and you push a whole of them money in your pocket. You see me I say? Cause me know say you're not gonna sue nobody. So you just use the stage show and make back all your money where you know what you lose while locked up in the facility. You see me I say? So big up to all of my Gaza Nation them, people from all about Mobile. You see me I say Chilani. You see me I say all over Jamaica, Kingston, everywhere, Portmore, everywhere. Big up all of people them from America, England, Canada, Africa, the whole Caribbean. You see me I say who say Gaza. You see me I say big up everybody. You see me I say all who know say Gaza will love cartel music, big who know upset we don't know a thing set. And like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me I say. And please press the like button. You see me I say. So that is my video for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.